What's up, everyone? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have Brett up on the screen, the one-day price chart. Last time we checked in over here on June 30th, right there, I said, guys, this drop is complete. The third wave is priming and glory awaits. Sure enough, here we go. Macro third kicking off. Some alts have already taken out this wave one high right here. Obviously, XRP right now breaking out into new all-time highs, kind of slightly different count over there, but we do have some stuff that's getting moving. So Brett up in the retracements in here, but still looks pretty good. I'm gonna change the fibs from this first wave over to this second wave here. Give us a better picture of where we're at. Battling the 0.5, so that means we've already taken back 50% of this wave 2 drop right here. So should keep continuing up, guys. We're going to hit some resistances, right? It's just, that's how it goes. It's not always just a straight line up, but we will have some days like this, some nice 36% days where we just see big green candles come out of here. Right now, it's pretty much Ethereum, some of the large caps that are going. So that's all right. That's how it works, man. Money rotation. Bitcoin's still strong, but not dominance is dropping, not keeping up with the rest of the market. So everything moving as it normally does in an alt season here, guys. And Bitcoin, a majority of those gains are over. I've heard a lot of crazy targets, but it's the alt's turn here. And I do think Brett's going to participate in alt season. It seems to have a really strong community. Last time we were here too, we did talk about this 7-wave crashing pattern. One of the reasons we knew the low was in. We hit these outermost wicks right here. Right there, we consolidated, broke out, back tested it, and up and away we go, right? Slamming into the 236 a couple times. So moving over to the oscillators, the stochastic RSI, the relative strength index, is in a good spot. We want to stay above this 60, and we just want to weave up here. If you look back here, that's what we did in the past. So I'll mark this out for you. We broke above the 60 line, 60, right above that purple. Broke above the 60 line right there. Dropped below the 60 line slightly here, but still held it. We were in kind of neutral bullish territory. So right about here is when it ended up dropping below 60 and then going into bear territory. So had you just traded the RSI on that move, here, let me see where we at. Had you just traded the RSI on that move, you could have made 175%, right? So we want that thing to weave up here. It's already starting to do it. You can see from the time we broke up through it right there until right now, we are up, at 1.53%, currently 45%. So you're already seeing the effects of it. Let's keep that RSI up there. We do have the MACD, which is momentum, above the 0 line. Love to see that. We want to see some big green momentum bars come in. So right now it's still positive momentum, but pretty indecisive, pretty flat. Volume-wise, pretty flat. Haven't seen any big green candles come in for volume either, like it did back here. So again, it's just not the smaller cap stuff's turn yet, but they will have their turn. Brett's already moving up through the retracements, and this thing's going to pop with the rest of the market. So hang in there, everything. But guys, everything's looking really good right now. These lows are in, and I do think that's it. These macro thirds are going to get kicked off. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll talk about some targets for Brett, some wave 3 targets for Brett next time we check in. In the meantime, I just released the Quantum Circle, my membership group, real-time trades, portfolio access, macro analysis. The Discord channel is live, and I'm teaching you guys to do TA like I do it. The link to that is in the bio. If not, completely okay. Just thrilled you guys are here. If you could follow, like, repost. Been doing TA a long time. Just want to help as many of you as I can. I hope you guys have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.